Across your world for information, breaking the myths, you will only find something that happened and that is happening. And yes, the facts, what may happen. Stay tuned for all these and more. Across your world for
Pallavaram Lake now, and if you have to get out, this is the order of the day. You need to cover up yourself, but this mask is to unmask a lot of things. It's not the mask worn out of fear, but to make or give people some kind of fear, especially people who does things that are not suitable for the environment. Right. If you haven't subscribed to my video, to my channel, please do subscribe. Check out my videos first, and if you like them, then subscribe, share it with all your friends. And for those who have already subscribed and watching and supporting me, thanks to them. Right, let's move on to Pallavaram Lake for the environmental degradation. Ready? Yes. The vlog for the day is Pallavaram Lake and the environmental degradation. So what you're seeing is the lake, and we are going to take a stroll along this lake. Basically, I was born here at Pallavaram, and as a child, some 3.5 decades back, this lake was about 190 acres. Now it is reduced to 45 acres. And I used to see a wide range of ducks and birds. So this is the road that connects. See a flyover? That's the one that connects Pallavaram and Thuraipakam, Krompet and Thuraipakam. And you can see some big buildings. On the other side also, on the other side of the road is also, you can see the lake. And the road is right in the middle of the lake. In fact, it was lake area. So I used to see a lot of ducks and a variety of species, bird species in this lake. But it was again history. Not anymore. You see the kind of buildings that have come up in they're right in the lake. The border of the lake has been condensed, and they've all become high-rise buildings. This is how the water bodies have been shrunk. The environmental degradation is there to be seen. It's quite obvious that the area has shrunk. You can see the piles of sand. The borders have been reorganized, which means they've allowed these buildings to come up in the water body. This is the case with most of the water bodies here in and around Chennai. And I don't know, this road is one of the prime reason for that. This road being the road that connects the IT corridor. We are not very far from the IT corridor of Chennai, the OMR, and you can see the degradation on the other side of the road. So what I'll try to do is I'll try to zoom. And this kind of, can you see the environmental degradation? Pile of junk, landfilling, and similar thing is there in Palikarni also. This lake was once extending, it was at least 4 or 5 times more. It has shrunk more than 25%. I mean, more than 75% now. The other side is the environmental degradation. It's definitely an eyesore, and it can be managed better. Can't even walk closer to the lake as the place is not clean. Also, people are using it for consuming alcohols in the night, I guess. They found a lot of broken glass bottles. So this is the state in which a water body is maintained here. Yes, it is pathetic, and we cannot do much about it. That's the curse of migration. Anybody who's living here would never dare to buy a property in the water body. It's basically the politicians and the migrants who are not aware of the history of the place. They are always ready to pay any kind of price to get a piece of land and settle down here. Chennai being known for its safety, safe from any kind of terrorist or unruly activities. So all our water bodies have become like that. Usually in the rainy season, I could see it like a sea. When I was a young child, I could see a sea. Here you see the vehicles are moving, and on the other side of the road you can see the pile of junk. Even the water body is totally polluted. So this is the state of Pallavaram Lake, my friends. The environmental degradation. I don't know as an individual what I can do, but I can definitely showcase this, and any of you who is seeing may support the cause. Take this up with the Pallavaram Greater Municipal Corporation, if at all it's of any help. So I used to see a lot of migratory birds during the season, November to March, just like Vedandangal or any other. Palikarnai marshland is also a bird sanctuary. It's even more pathetic with the Perungudi waste management system. This is how a city is ruined. The natural ecosystem is ruined because of the urban development. Typical example. And you see lots of houses built around. You cannot even see the demarcation. So I'm on the other side of the lake now. This is the most affected part. You can see the garbage pile on the other side.